I think I found my new Serenity favorite. So sorry, peppered tofu, but I think the peppered enoki will now be my go-to order whenever I go to Serenity. Ang tagal ko rin tong hinanap, and finally, I found it in the Mega Mall branch. This is 175 pesos for the whole bucket. If you haven't tried this, yung flavor niya is typical Serenity flavor. Peppery, tasty, and as always, expect nyo na crispy siya. On its own, it's pretty good na actually. It's 175 pesos. Pero if you add 20 pesos, you get the dip. And I think the dip makes it extra delicious. I've tried fried enoki before, pero I think this is a clear winner. Reminiscent siya of eating picnic na chips. It's so fun to eat, it's so tasty, and ang dami ng serving. Naubos ko to on my own, pero I think the serving size is perfect for sharing. Honestly, medyo nakakaumay siya if you're eating this by yourself kasi syempre medyo oily rin. Pero if you see this, don't miss out. Ang sarap nito. Medyo messy lang kainin.